Meet UV Mask, the next generation reusable mask with powerful UVC sterilization technology that protects you from 99.99% of all dust, pollution, and airborne pathogens. All the air you breathe is sent through UM's patented sterile vortex. The ultra-high-intensity UVC light instantly purifies and sterilizes the air 10 times faster than you can breathe. The first layer of protection is a replaceable air filter that blocks 95% of all particles larger than 0.3 microns, the same degree of protection as a N95 mask. The high-performance air filter provides excellent protection against pollution, smoke, and pollen, as well as particles released by sanding, painting, drywall, and fiberglass installation, woodwork, and gardening. While airborne pathogens smaller than 0.3 microns aren't efficiently blocked by any mask passive filter, UM's active UVC light neutralizes the ones that make it through, bringing total filtration efficiency to 99.99%. As pathogens pass through this sterile vortex, the UVC light breaks down their genetic material, neutralizing their ability to reproduce or transmit, ensuring real-time protection anywhere you go. Any air you breathe out is also sterilized, protecting the people around you. UV Mask medical-grade ergonomic silicone inner layer is soft against the skin. Wear it comfortably, however you choose, with its flexible strap styles. UV Mask creates a secure, airtight chamber that sits around your nose and mouth, making breathing easy, unlike traditional masks. Breathing air is natural. Breathing clean air is essential. Back UV Mask today and enjoy breathing in public again.
The need to measure will always be there. From straight lines to curves, compound surfaces, and everything in between. That's why we created Rollover, the world's first compact digital rolling ruler. We are introducing a new way to measure by removing the complexities of a traditional ruler. The Rollover is compact and simple to use. Just press and hold the button on the back and roll it across a surface. It creates and saves accurate measurements you can count on in the unit of your choice. Whether you're a designer or a tech lover, Rollover is for everyone. The rolling ruler is designed to fit seamlessly into your lifestyle. Rollover comes with a genuine leather case that fits onto your keychain in a second. Embrace this winning combination of high-quality materials, precision machined stainless steel frame, and a stunning minimalistic design. Rollover provides measuring capabilities in a range of units using a revolutionary user interface. By supporting this campaign, you can join us and make this epitome of convenience a reality. We are ready to change the future, with you by our side.
Imagine your perfect gym with a personal trainer available at any time. And what if this gym wasn't across town, but across the room? Introducing Tonal, the world's most intelligent fitness system. Tonal is a revolutionary digital weight machine with personal training built in. Switch up your routine with hundreds of hours of expert-led workouts that guide you with step-by-step instructions and motivation.
Welcome to your program.
Get truly personalized, full-body programs that deliver real results quicker than ever before.
Let's get ready to crush week number 4.
It's your coach, your gym, and your motivation right there on your wall. An all-in-one design can change, and change again to replace every machine in a weight room.
Now we've selected your weight for you.
Tonal sets the weight optimal for you and adjusts as you get stronger. Or instantly dial up the weight yourself with the click of a button. Advanced intelligence monitors the quality of every rep, adapts guidance, and measures your progress in real time. Tonal's sensors can even detect when you're struggling and spot you to help finish the set. Tonal is unlike any fitness equipment before. An entire gym and personal trainer on demand in the convenience of your home.
Celebrate that workout. You just push your mind and body to the limit. You're somebody new now.
Crush your goals without crushing your calendar. Let Tonal coach you to be stronger and leaner than you ever thought possible. Tonal, be your strongest.
What is the power of a bee? Nothing. A bee alone is powerless. It's lost. On the internet, we are no different. Without collaboration, we are limited. Take the cloud. It's great to store and share our files, but on the cloud, we are lost inside someone else's data center. We don't own our data anymore. Remember? We all found free gigabytes seducing at the start, but the day you run out of space, how do you feel about paying every single month for the rest of your life? This is the truth. The cloud today is nothing but massive server farms that will keep milking our data and draining the energy of our planet. Unless we realize that safety is not on this cloud, safety is in numbers, and you can count on a whole swarm by your side. Qubit is the world's first distributed cloud where collaboration puts the users in power. Together, we can shape the cloud as it should always have been. Green, forever free, encrypted by design. Because privacy is a fundamental right, not a premium feature. So, what is the power of a bee? Come beyond the cloud and see. Join the swarm.
Hey Kickstarter, this is Ro.
And I'm Kim.
When we got our first place after marriage, we wished to have well-designed home appliances which fit in the space like furniture.
But it was really hard to find non-mechanical looking appliances, which goes well with our Nordic interior design. Actually, this is the beginning of Load.
Many people helped us make our dream come true, such as a design team based in Denmark and high-level Korean companies working with corporations like Samsung and LG.
We worked really hard to make a product that is simple, convenient, and does not require a lot of effort. We sincerely hope this product can become a part of your life.
Dear bakers, We are sure this will help increase the value of your space. But first, we need your help to make our dreams form into the world. Thank you for listening.
Thank you for listening.
This is Ultra, the latest helmet from Lumos, the best smart LED helmet you can buy. Ultra will simplify your life, protect your head, and even help prevent accidents. Best of all, it's designed with affordability in mind, so that a Lumos helmet can finally be accessible to everyone. The truth is that bike-mounted lights don't always do enough to make you visible to drivers. Like us, you're probably also tired of your lights getting lost or stolen, and drivers not seeing, recognizing, or responding to your hand signals. That's why Ultra comes integrated with 3 LED modules, giving you full 360-degree coverage, ensuring you are seen by motorists from all angles, and drastically improving your chances of avoiding a crash. There are also turn signals that you can activate easily while riding using the included remote or an Apple Watch. The helmet is sealed and water resistant, so you can ride with it anytime, anywhere, rain or shine. It's smart, so you can use our app to track your rides, check the battery, and personalize your helmet with custom blinking patterns. And of course, Ultra offers serious protection for your head. It passes rigorous safety standards with an A-star rating and is also available with the MIPS brain protection system as an optional upgrade. Over the years, we've received a ton of feedback and feature requests from our awesome community of Lumos helmet riders. We are excited that we were able to incorporate many of those requests into Ultra. You asked for a visor? We got a visor. You asked for larger and smaller sizes. Ultra will now come in 3 sizes: small, medium, and extra large for a comfortable fit for the whole family. You asked for a standard charging port. Ultra will feature a USB-C port, making recharging faster and easier than ever. We've also optimized battery life so that Ultra can last for up to 10 hours on a single charge. But the biggest request we've gotten is whether we can make our helmets more affordable. A good-looking, high-quality helmet could easily cost over $100. Add a good set of front and back lights, and that's another $100. Ultra will cost less than either. The Lumos Ultra is the perfect helmet for your bike commute, your training ride, your e-bike, or the family ride with the kids. Ultra has you covered.
The design, just look at it. It's amazing. I love it.
Für mich der schönste Helm auf dem Markt aktuell.
Il est extrêmement léger par rapport au modèle précédent, ce qui sur des utilisations sur des longues distances est quand même très appréciable.
The airflow is amazing and it felt really good during the ride.
Seriously, the lightness, I don't know how you did it with all the electronics and everything in it. It's beautiful.
You also don't have to worry about forgetting your lights when you go out, so that's super handy.
I'd really recommend this and I'll definitely be buying it myself.
Just get one. It's amazing.
Hi, I'm Ewan, co-founder and CEO of Lumos. We got our start right here on Kickstarter 5 years ago, with little more than an idea and a passion to keep riders safe and build a great product. Since then, we've won some pretty cool awards, been featured on Oprah's Favorite Things, became the first helmet to ever be sold at the Apple Store, sold and shipped over 100,000 of our helmets to riders all around the world, and garnered hundreds of amazing reviews from customers who have loved their Lumos helmet. But what's most fulfilling is seeing our helmets actually make an impact, helping people stay safe and in many instances, saving lives. Safety is everyone's right. So we've made it our mission to make our life-saving tech available to as many cyclists as possible. That's why we've packed all our helmet making experience and user feedback into making Ultra our best and most affordable helmet yet. Imagine a world where every cyclist has access to protective gear that makes them as visible as possible to everyone on the road. With your help, we can make that a reality. Join us.